Here's another review from us.
Hit it, Opal.
Woo!
We've got another box to open. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna take a look at this one, and you get to open it with us. Okay, here is, once again, a Saker mini electric chainsaw. Now, you might have said, hey, they already did that. They already did that. Well, we did, but it was only 4 inches. This one's 6 inches. And I'm really excited to try this out. I have a lot of logging to do.
Are you a logger, honey?
I'm a logger, and I'm excited about this because it has a really nifty little case. A lot of niftiness again.
Oh,
involved.
nice.
Now, let's just see.
Nice, we got a case this time.
But you know what? You notice how it's our colors? You notice how it's my Wild Home colors again? I'm all about colors and prettiness, so let's open this up and let's see what's inside. You guys get to see it before I do. Ta-da! Look at it. Here we have this gorgeous saw. This one's a pretty one. Whoa! This is a 6-inch saw.
Let me see. Oh, that's nice, eh? You know what I can do? I can use this to trim all those posts, honey.
Yes.
These posts here, I have to trim these posts off.
There are 2 batteries, which is so great because when you're in the middle of a project and you run out, you don't want to have to wait for that other battery to charge. You can always have one on standby. Here's the cord. Here's safety glasses. Little wrench. Oh my, a pair of gloves.
You're kidding.
And a tiny bit of oil. All right, since they were so good to provide a pair of gloves, I am going to wear them. And I assume it's that way because that's where the little grippies are on it. I'm going to attach the battery and kind of hoping that it's pre-charged. Okay, so I've got some logging to do, so I'll be back in a few. Of course, another nice thing is this blade guard, so I won't be cutting my hair or anything else that's in the way. Now, I want to do it about the same height as that.
Oh, that sure works good, eh?
It sure does. Now, look at that! Woohoo! Look at the sun that's coming out. Oh, because of it. I need to move the ladder.
That's gonna let some serious sun in.
Yep, it really is. It's gonna make a difference. Thanks to Saker. Okay. Oh, another really great saw.
So that's what we use the Saker saw for.
So I've been logging. And I've been making quick work of some trees that were going to impede our sun production. I think it's going to make a big difference here. But now let's call in a different project. It's not one that I would have thought of, but I'm willing to try it. Will this cut the top of those posts off? Let's take a look.
Okay.
Here we go. Here's another. Now this one looks, I'm missing that knot, so I think I'm going to be able to do it this way.
Maybe
I'll try it this way.
Nice, honey. Good job. Now you can plane it. Well, I have a perfect application for this acre saw. Chain guard. I'm going to nip the top of these things off, and this should be able to do it quite nicely for me.
The Saker Mini Chainsaw is a compact yet powerful tool. It was designed from the ground up to simplify wood cutting with efficiency and portability. Equipped with a robust copper motor and an extended 6-inch cutting chain, it handles wood and tougher materials with ease. Its cordless, battery-powered design offers extended usage without frequent recharges.
Wow, I just have to trim this a little bit.
Safety locks prevent accidental activation. Now that's a thoughtful feature. Crafted from high-grade steel and ABS plastic, it delivers both durability and lightweight comfort.
Who needs a planer when you have a Saker saw? Ding!
Ideal for DIY, gardening, and outdoor tasks, this mini chainsaw offers safety, reliability, and long-term performance in a compact package.
Little planing.
Planer. Works awesome. This little beauty gets 5 stars from me, no problem. All day long. I want one. Can I get one?
It's mine.
How come all the good things are yours?